Hello members, good evening. So in today's video, our focus will be on how to find time cycles for stocks to capture some significant moves in the stock. So we have taken Reliance as an example. We'll take few more examples. Now the basic time cycle which Gann used to follow was, square, triangle, opposition. He was an astrologer per se. So basically 90 degrees is square. And this we can very well see in his Gann emblem also. If you go to tools, Gann emblem. So it will come something like this, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degrees. So which is a combination of a triangle, which is 120, 240 and 0, and rectangle 180, 90, 0, 120, 144 are different diagonal degrees, and 144 degree and 216 degrees. So these are different degrees which Gann used to follow. So we are added them on our trading view indicator. Now what it will do is, what you have to do is just go ahead and select a major low. Like here it made a low of 7th April. Just go here, 7th April 2025 low. And we can do two kinds of calculation. One is calendar days, one is trading days. So let's first start with calendar days. So we do it here and it will automatically see 90 degree. It made an exact top outside bar here. From there a big down move came. 144 degree exact bottom was made. Here kind of whipsaw was there. Even this major top was captured exactly at 270 degree. And now next date is coming on 2nd of April. So this is based on calendar days, and you can get the future dates also. The next date will be 15 June and 31st July. Similarly, if you go here, instead of calendar, let's say trading days. In trading days, it will, sometimes trading days gives us the best move. See here, this was the exact top captured by the trading days. This was an exact bottom caught. Now, once you find this, then basically note down the high and low of this day. Next day low was breached, and from there, Reliance was down almost uh, for almost 5% in a single trading session. So, which is a significant, move. And if you want to find the targets, say like we use this, if you put this, the price broke exactly 50% point. So this we call as technically price and time squaring. And from price and time squaring levels, if I go to 15-minute chart, see such a beautiful down move came in Reliance. So this will help you in capturing some major significant moves in the market. Let's take another example. Let's go to FNO stock, or let's take first gold as an example. So gold is there. Now let's see, go to the daily chart, where gold has made a significant bottom before this big rally. It made it here on 14 November 24. Go here, select here 14 November 24, and let's go with calendar days. Let's apply. See here, all these big moves you are able to capture in gold. Similarly, this down move, before this big down move started, it made an exact top at 480 degrees. From there, the low was breached, and see the cycle got changed completely. Similarly, you can apply, let's take one more example of crude oil. So US oil, and let's see where it made a significant top or bottom. You can see here, uh, there was a significant top here on 15 Jan 25. Again, go here, select high, and select here 15 Jan 25. And from there, the cycles are counted. And see here, for this big rally which came in, the perfect bottom made here. And from there, 3 days of big rally came in. So this is a simple way to capture some significant moves in the stock, and it can work on commodities also. So sorry, commodities we have already discussed. Let's take FNO also as an example. Let's take Tech. Mm, I made a bottom here, 7th April 25. Go here, select here 7th April. So this, anyways, we have seen 7th April big moves are coming. Let's take Trent as an example, something different. Uh, yeah, it made a high here around 14th October 24. So let's do that. So 14th October 24, October 14th, 24. Yeah. Now you see here, all most of the top up moves and down moves are captured very significantly here. Now the next turning point is on 7th April. And similarly, if I go here, instead of calendar days, I can select trading days also. This is a So basically, if it starts trading above 3532, then we can see a significant up move in this stock. Now, calculating this manually is quite difficult. So we have our Gann Time Watch Pro. This also does the same thing. It will scan all the stock based on your calendar days, trading days of last 365 days, both high and low. And you can make the look ahead window of let's suppose the next 20 days. You can put a series of stocks here. Like I have put only 10, but I can select more if I want. It will scan all the stocks and it will give us the result which stock time cycles are coming. It takes some time to generate this result because uh, the script is automatically going, finding the major high, major low, and putting it here. So it takes a lot of time, but eventually the results will help you in planning out your trade for the next 10 days. See here, the results came in. So Bank Nifty 31st March is an important date. Nifty 31st March. So if it is a holiday, then we can say on 30th March also. Then 1st April is for HDFC Bank. Like this, we can get for any stock per se. Now this is based on standard cycle. If you want master cycle, which is cube cycle, that also can be used. And here we can do trading days also. And degree type as true solar degree. So which you know change the results little bit. So 20th March was Reliance, which was a holiday. So 27th we saw a very significant move. So with these simple ways we can capture some significant up moves and down moves in the markets. It is calculating it calculated, and we are getting these dates: 7th April, 29th March, Nifty again coming 2931. This is based on calendar days. So this way you get Bajaj Finance is on 12th April. Lot of stocks are on 2930. L&T is also there. So let's see how the market behaves. But this is the simple way to capture some significant moves in the stock using Gann, basically Gann price cycles, sorry, time cycles, and then time cycles we can use either precision zones or Brahman levels to capture significant move. So thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined.